Today we're experiencing wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. What you're viewing is after we went out there and pinned down a whole bunch of heavy barrier to save it where it was getting picked up. The one row right now we can't do anything with because it's like a sail. You'll fly with it almost is what it feels like. It's very hard overbearing. We are in Missouri Zone 6B and we do have an elevated risk of tornadoes today, but you can see here where the greenhouse is just really taking an impact with flexing and